How to zoom out TikTok videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can zoom out your TikTok videos on your device. So first of all, just open your TikTok on your smartphone or on your PC, whatever you like it. And after that, let's suppose that I want to zoom in this particular video. So as of now, there is no option to zoom in and zoom out your TikTok videos on your smartphone. So in order to zoom in your videos, you have to click on this sharing icon right here. And after that, just click on copy link and go to your Google, and here just search how to download a TikTok video and go ahead and download your TikTok video. Opening the video in your smartphone, you can just pinch out with your fingers and the video will be zoom out. And if you're doing it in your PC, you just have to double tap or click on the video and just hover your cursor around, and that's how you will be able to zoom out your TikTok videos on your device. So that's how you do it. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.